1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. I've been having a no start issue that would die and just driving, doing all kinds of crazy things. So I changed the distributor. It's buried, took the intake manifold all off, and that didn't make any difference. So I've changed the crankcase sensor. I bought this car with a no start issue. It would start up, run 20 minutes, and then just die. But there is a lot of stuff to take apart to put this sensor in. You have to take all this apart, this deal there, whatever that is. But anyway, it's judgment time. Was it just this sensor? I doubt whether it was, to be honest with you. If it doesn't start up, I won't be surprised. But it always did start up after I worked on it. The people I bought it from, they were retired, had it for 17 years. And they brought it to a mechanic, and he thought it was a wire someplace, so maybe it still is. Yeah, no start. So no matter what I've done, I have the no start issue on a 1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6.